if the validity of any election of a member of a gram panchayat, पंचायत समिति और जिला परिषद और सरपंच ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत, चेयरमैन और वाइस चेयरमैन, प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पंचायत समिति और जिला परिषद रिस्पेक्टिवली इज ब्रॉट इन क्वेश्चन बाय एनी पर्सन contesting the election or by any person qualified to vote at the election to which such question relates, such person may at any time within 30 days after the date of the declaration of results of the election present an election petition to the civil court having ordinary jurisdiction in the area within which the election has been or should have been held for the determination of such question. Stop. Determination of validity of election enquiry by judge and procedure. Stop. The result of the election in so far it concerns a returned candidate has been materially affected by improper acceptance by any nomination or by any corrupt practice committed in the interest of the returned candidate by an agent other than his election agent or by the improper reception, refusal or rejection of any vote or the reception of any vote which is void or by any non-compliance with or violation of the provisions of the Constitution of India or of this act or any rules or orders made under this act, election of such a returned candidate shall be set aside and fresh election may be held. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioners in these cases vehemently argued that jurisdiction of this court under Article 226 of the Constitution of India should be invoked while submitting that life of the elected panchayat is 5 years and in case petitioners are relegated to their remedy of filing an election petition, it would be an exercise in futility and a candidate selected on the basis of fake or bogus votes would be allowed to continue in an unjustified and illegal manner. Stop. Therefore, in such a situation, filing of an election petition is in fact not an appropriate or efficacious remedy. Stop. Having regard to the important functions which the legislatures have to perform in democratic countries, it has always been recognized to be a matter of first importance that elections should be concluded as early as possible according to time schedule and all controversial matters and all disputes arising out of elections should be postponed till after the elections are over so that the election proceedings may not be unduly retarded or protracted. Stop.